BJP President Rajnath Singh seems to be extending an olive branch to TMC chief Mamata Banerjee. Now, Rajnath Singh has said that the BJP will offer West Bengal a special package once it comes to power. And soon after, the Congress has made fresh charges alleging a fixed match between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress.
इसलिए ममता जी, मैं तो ये कहना चाहता हूं, लड़ना है तो कांग्रेसियों से लड़ो, बीजेपी से क्यों लड़ती हो आप ममता जी?
His words a sharp contrast to the ongoing war of words between Mamata and Modi.
के बाद ये बांग्लादेशी बिस्तरा बोरिया बांध के तैयार रखेंगे.
But the BJP and TMC appear to have landed a fresh allegation to fight the West Bengal Congress, accusing both parties to have brokered a secret deal.
BJP সঙ্গে তৃণমূলের অঘোষিত গাঁটছড়া অনেকদিন আগেই তৈরি হয়েছে.
The Congress's charge, backed by the left, which grabbed the opportunity to target its political rival.
Trinamool Congress, as a political party, has always been toying with the idea of aligning with both the Congress and the BJP, particularly more so the BJP.
Even as the Congress and the left are speaking in one voice, the BJP president's offer to provide West Bengal with a special package has fueled further speculation.
हम आपको विश्वास दिलाते हैं हमारी दिल्ली में सरकार बनेगी. बहनों भाइयों, पश्चिमी बंगाल के विकास के लिए, यहां गरीबी और बेरोजगारी को दूर करने के लिए जितना बड़ा से बड़ा पैकेज देने की जरूरत होगी, हम लोग अपनी सरकार से पश्चिम बंगाल के विकास के लिए पैकेज मुहैया कराएंगे.
TMC leaders are calling the West Bengal Congress President Adhish Chaudhary a liar and denied the reports of any meeting between their MPs and the BJP President Rajnath Singh. The way Narendra Modi launched direct attack on Mamata Banerjee, many thought that BJP had closed the door for Mamata Banerjee for any post-poll alliance. But Rajnath Singh's offer for a special package for Bengal has reignited the possibility.
Mudslinging has been on between the TMC and the BJP for a few days. But now, with Rajnath's comments and his offer, is the BJP extending an olive branch to Mamata? Bureau Report, Times Now.